especially on Christmas Day, and in um, uh, December is that is there's a lot of memories in December because December is the month that my father passed, and today, December 24, 2024, and tomorrow, oh, I think it's 2020. Oh, it's right, 2024, because it's already 12 o'clock now, so it's literally um December 24 now. So I'm gonna start greeting you, all of my subscribers. Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year to all. Just how many days the New Year is coming, and I wish you a good health, abundant, abundancy, good health, abundancy, and bless, blessings from the above. I don't know what I'm gonna do tomorrow. My mom is far in the far away. Well, me, I'm here having so much problem, and I don't have something. I don't know what to buy, or I don't have money. What I will buy for Christmas tomorrow, for the Christmas Eve. That's the big problem. Yeah, poor people. Shout out. Merry Christmas to all of you guys, especially to all of my super chatter channel members, uh, to all of my previous sponsors, my loved ones, families, friends, Facebook friends, YouTube friends, Twitter friends, friends in Instagram, in all of my friends, guys. Thank you so much for all of your support, especially here in YouTube, who supported me from start to what am I now? Uh, to where am I now? To one from one to 7,000 subscriber. Thank you so much, guys. And to those who support me in my other channel, I get terminated 1, 2, 3, and now I'm here again. Thank you so much for your tremendous loving support, especially to Sweet Cherry, to my dear friend Andrew, um, Tony CC. Thank you so much. Kevin, uh, Kevin Long, Kevin Brown. Thank you so much for all of you. Uh, Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year to all of you. Uh, to all of my subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you so much for all of your support, guys.